I would like to speak about important phase of a woman's life, that is menopause. What is menopause first of all? As the girl starts menstruating, it is called menarche. She undergoes long period of having continuing menses throughout the reproductive period, and then comes a time when that menstrual function stops. Why does that stop? Because the ovaries stop functioning, and that is called as menopause. It is nothing but just a phase of life which every woman has to undergo. So, without fearing the onset of menopause, without having anxiety about menopause, and how will you have that? By having some knowledge about what you can expect during or after menopause. The common age that menopause is seen in Indian women is usually at the age between ranging from 46 up to 51. The age also depends to some extent upon the familial characters. Like if your mother is menstruating till 52, then you are expected to menstruate till 52. But if there is a family history of early menopause, then there may be early menopause in you. Now I will say some few points which you can expect at the time of menopause. The time of transition from pre-menopause to menopause time is called as climacteric, and at that time usually females experience a lot of common symptoms like irregular periods. There may be change in the frequency, in the amount of flow, in the characteristic of your bleeding than it was there previously. Next comes mood changes. Mood swings will happen more frequently during this time. There will be more symptoms of the breast. And another common thing that happens during menopause is having bone or joint pains. That is mostly related to decreased calcium deposits in the bones, which may lead to osteoporosis in future. So how will you prevent these common symptoms, and how will you know that there is actually some problem that you should need to go and consult with your doctor? First of all is the postmenopausal symptoms. The most common symptoms that are faced in postmenopausal women are hot flushes, sudden sweatings, and feeling of palpitations, trembling, mood swings, decreased libido, and increased joint pains, insomnia. These are a few common symptoms which happen during postmenopausal phase, and if you experience these kind of symptoms, it is necessary to consult a doctor and to start some medications, because these symptoms are quite bothersome. It is always suggested that females after the age of 45 should come for a general gynecological screening, because there are few things which you may not notice, or it may go unnoticed by a person who is undergoing this climacteric phase, but it could be really crucial for the person, and that could be caught by the doctor. There are some screening procedures that a female should always undergo, which is usually should start by the age of 30, but during the perimenopausal time it is absolutely necessary to go through the screening procedures, like screening for cervical cancer, screening for breast cancer, and also to some extent the screening for endometrial carcinoma. So a basic gynecological screening or test can detect all these things at a very early stage, where the treatment is very much possible, and the woman would not have to undergo stress of the fear of cancer in future. Then coming to the treatment part of postmenopausal symptoms. As I already said, it is absolutely necessary to take some kind of medication for postmenopausal symptoms, which is usually done by hormone replacement therapy, and also for the treatment of osteoporosis, hormone replacement therapy is necessary along with some other medications. So in case of postmenopausal treatment, the collaboration of a gynecologist is always necessary with an orthopedician, and to some extent a rheumatologist. So ladies, a menopause is something not to be feared of or not to be anxious about. It is just a phase of life, like we accept menarche with that much anxiousness, but you should always welcome menopause. It gives you a kind of freedom.